Please subscribe before you leave. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Hi, it's me here on Lou Live with the latest Boxycharm box. I have not looked at it yet, except I cut it open the other day when it first arrived, but I haven't really looked at it since. I wanted to do a first impressions with you all. So here we go. We have Boxycharm, and then when you open it up it says Hello Charmer, and inside here we have the social medias for Boxycharm. It says hashtag Boxycharm. They have Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Snapchat. So that's what this is. And you have a postcard with the items that are in this Boxycharm box. The items that are in this Boxycharm box are on this postcard that you receive with the box. This is just the standard Boxycharm box. I have yet to transition to the luxe one, so this is what I'm doing. It says La Vie and Rose Boxycharm. That's the theme for this month's box. Tagged BoxyRose for a chance to be featured, so definitely I will wind up doing that eventually when I have my things in order. Let's see that. It's kind of blurry. Can you see that? And that's the front. And there are 5 items in this box. The first one on this list is Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, which is valued at $45. The great thing about Boxycharm is they give you full-size items. So that's why it remains to be my favorite one at this time. In this box I have the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, and it says it has 6 must-have complexion essentials in 1 travel-friendly palette. Don't really know much about it, so let me find it in this box. And it says to hashtag CoverFXRose. I've never had a palette from CoverFX. I've used their primer, I've used their highlighting drops, but not a palette. So this is a first and I'm excited. This is it. And on the back it has a guide which shows you like where each item is and their name and the purpose. So you have a highlighter, a brightener, another highlighter, a blush, a finishing powder, and a contour all in one palette. That's awesome. And this one's made for light medium. Oh, that's pretty. And it has a mirror. What's this? Oh, that's the mirror. Ooh. See the light flashing on the wall. And the colors. So this one right here, the highlighter is called Starlight, this one. Then we have Moonbeam, which is a brightener right in the middle. And then here we have another highlighter, which is called Divine. Beneath that is the contour shade, which is called Silhouette. And then we have the finishing powder, which is called Stellar. And lastly, we have a blush, and the blush is called Sublime. I already have makeup on, I don't want to like add anything to it, but let's do swatches. So we have the highlighter. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. You see it? No, the lighting is very bright in here right now. And then we have the brightener. Ooh. If you can see that. And we have the highlighter and the other one. This is probably nice for like summer, I would say. The blush. The finishing powder. And the contour shade. So these are all the shades in the Perfector face palette from Cover FX. And I just wanted to show you what they look like. So there's my ring light, there's my tripod, there's us. Hi us. Hi. The next item in the Boxycharm box is from Wander Beauty, who's made its way a number of times now in my Boxycharm boxes. This one is the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask, and it's valued at $34, and they say to hashtag WanderRose. Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. It's a very nice size. This is a nice size mask. And it says minimum effort, maximum results. Acai fruit extract and a number of other items or ingredients that I'm not familiar with. But it says it is formulated without parabens, and it's cruelty free, gluten free, and vegan. Dermatologist tested. And it says to smooth on even layer all over the face, avoiding the eye area. Wait 10 to 15 minutes for mask to completely dry and slowly peel off from the edges. Lift Off can also be used to spot treat around the nose and T-zone area. That's good to know. So I'm gonna open this up. Oh, it has a foil. Doesn't really smell like much. I'm gonna use this to clean my hand. It looks like this. And the makeup off my hand, can you see it? Kind of looks like a highlighter. So that's this. From Wander Beauty. I'm gonna like rub it in. It's like sticky. Yeah, it doesn't really smell too much, but that's a good thing sometimes. You know, the few seconds I had it on my hand, it actually made it feel nice and soft in comparison to my other hand. And it took off the makeup pretty well. Moda, and there's 2 Moda brushes, powder and soft glow kit. Valued at $29.99, and they say to hashtag WanderRose. I've got a little beat up in the box, it's alright. So you get these 2 brushes. One's a powder brush, which I'm happy about because I needed one. And soft glow brush, which is great for highlighting. And it has all the social medias on the back of the box for Moda, and you can follow. It says it's excellent for wet and dry product, 100% vegan. And professional quality fibers. Let's see if I can get this open. I don't really want to use these yet, but I want to see what they look like. So they package them together. Oh, these are nice. They're like rose gold, hence the rose theme. Now that my hands are clean. Ooh, that's soft. So this is the soft glow brush, and that's funny. And then this one is the powder brush. They're very soft, I like it. So you get 2 brushes that are valued at $29.99. There's 2 more products. One is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick valued at $20. Hashtag WanderRose, the liquid lipstick. It's in shade Monaco. It smells like cake or icing. It happened to be very easy to apply, and as you can see, it has like a shimmery metallic effect to it. I really like it. It's very pretty. That I will put on right now. So that's the lipstick from Ofra. Last but not least, we have a liquid eyeshadow, which is very new to me. And this is from Appeal Cosmetics. And it says it's valued at $21, and you would hashtag Appeal Rose. Let's see if it tells you the color. Not really. Oh, it's a color gold. That's the color, which is gold. And so everything in here is rose color, and this is just gold. I might put it on. See what it looks like. Oh, it smells horrible. I'm just wondering, like, is it gonna dry? It's kind of messy and it feels wet and it smells horrible, but fortunately it's gonna go on my eyelids, so I don't really have to smell it much. But I mean, if it was neater, it would look very pretty. I'm just not sure about it. I've never used a liquid eyeshadow before until now, so it's very new to me. But I like the gold color. It's just messy, but I wanted to show you what it looked like. So that's that. I wanted to say thank you to everyone for stopping by and checking out the latest Boxycharm box with me. Thank you again for watching my videos. If you like them, like them. If you really like them, please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my social medias. You can use all of my promo codes that I've left for you in the description box and on my channel. Thank you again for stopping by. I will see you all soon. Bye. Please subscribe before you leave. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.